Hello friends, if you're new here, bienvenidos, hajime and my name is Hillary. So today I wanted to kind of teach you guys how to do like a light pastel cut crease kind of look. I've seen this trend kind of go and I was inspired by it, so I'm going to teach you guys how to do that today. So first I just want to lay down the colors that I'm going to use, and I'm using the You Can Be Fruit Pie Filling palette. And first I'm going to go in with the color Mango right here and just start putting that right above my inner corner and going out. So now I'm going to use the James Charles palette in the color Social Blade right down here, which is like the light lime green color, and I'm blending that out from the yellow and keep going out. Also use the James Charles. I'm taking this blue shade. I believe it's called Playground. I could be wrong on that, so I'm sorry. I'm taking that and continuing blending into the green and going out. And lastly, finishing this circle with this purple color down here. So next we're going to take a flat brush and carve out a cut crease all along this in the shape of your eye. I will be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Fair Beige, but you can use whatever concealer you want, foundation, a base, whatever you want. So, and it's very important when you do a cut crease to not drag, but to more tap and bring down, because if you drag it, you're gonna pick up all those colors that we just laid down on the brush, and you're just gonna get like a smear of like colors, and that's not what we want. Now I'm just gonna let this dry and I'll be right back when it's dry. Okay, so now that that's dry, we're gonna start the little cut creases inside. So I'm mixing this kind of brownish shade with the yellow in the James Charles palette to try to get like a little bit darker yellow, and I'm putting that right on the inner corner where that cut crease starts. And then now taking the regular yellows that we used and blending it into that. Okay, and you want to finish that lightest color of yellow right where that green starts, and now we're going to make another cut crease. So the post that I was inspired by had these like little C shaped cut creases after that, so that's what I'm gonna try to do. Okay, now we're gonna do the same thing with the green, taking the darkest shade of green, starting at that C, and then blending to the lightest shade of green at the blue. So now that we're getting close to the blue, we're gonna start that next C-shaped cut crease. Okay, now I'm just going to repeat the same process with the blue and the purple off camera, and repeat that on my other eye off camera so that this video isn't too long, but I'll be right back. So before I do this on the other eye, I wanted to do a little liner across the top to separate the cut creases and the stuff on top. So I have an assortment of colors, and I'm going to try to blend them all along the top to hopefully look cohesive, but we'll see how it goes. So this is what it looks like so far. It seems like always the first eye I do comes out cleaner than the second, but it's fine. So the last thing we have to do is choose a lipstick or liquid lipstick color. So I'm gonna pick out a few options right now. So one that I found that I really like is this one from Struggle Cosmetics, and I actually have an affiliate code with them. You can use code Hillary, that's all caps, HILLARY, at their website, and you can save yourself some money, and it benefits me directly too. So you should do that. I love this lip gloss. I've talked about it before, but I seriously get like full coverage with like one dip. It's great. So I'm just gonna put this on real quick and I'll be right back. And there we go. That was just one swipe. That was great. So yeah, they also make eyeshadow palettes. I've not got the chance to try one out yet, but hopefully I will. So I think this is the final look for today. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you liked it, if you want to see something else, you can give me challenge requests or ideas to recreate, maybe teach you guys. But I really like this. It was kind of out of my element, but I had fun and I hope you guys did too. So thank you so much for watching as always. It means so much to me and I love you guys' feedback and comments, so please leave those down below. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.